Hey there, welcome back to episode number 48 of the Bright Ideas Daily Nugget. I am Trent Dyrsmid, and this is my daily video series where I answer your questions about e-commerce, as well as to give you a little look over my shoulder of how, as my team and I grow our business from our current $2.5 million a year to our goal of 10 million smackers. So in today's video, we're going to answer a question from Trevor Benton, and Trevor asks, how can you use Facebook to find products to sell? So thanks very much, Trevor, for asking the question. And there are a number of ways to do it. And the first way is I would suggest you use Facebook like a search engine. So I'm in the car niche. So you can go into a little search box in Facebook and type in car, and then type in get yours or claim yours or free plus shipping, or so the first word is intended to be associated with your niche: car, dog, horse, golf, whatever. And the second couple of words are typically the call to action that somebody would be using on a Facebook ad to drive the traffic to a landing page. Then you'll have the search results, and there's tabs across the top. The tabs you want to pay attention to is the video tab, the page tab, and the post tab. What you're looking for are posts with very high levels of engagement. So start with the video tab, for example. You want to see videos that show up for products, obviously, that have lots and lots of views and ideally have been shared a bunch and commented on a bunch. The greater the amount of engagement, two things you can conclude. Number one, that ad has probably been running for a while. The second one is that people really were talking about it. It generated a lot of buzz and a lot of shares and a lot of views. So you could conclude from that that people want to buy that particular product. So that is by far the easiest way to use Facebook to give you ideas. Now let's say that you have a couple of different ideas and you want to use Facebook as a voting machine to give you data on which of those 2 or 3 ideas would be the most popular. What you could do is put a landing page up with, say, all 3 products on it. You could then create a campaign, and then within the campaign create 3 different ad sets. And each one of those, or you could even do this at the ad level. Actually, you could do it all within one ad set. If your audience targeting is going to be exactly the same, which it may not be, if your audience targeting needs to be different, you will need more than one ad set. But we'll assume for the moment that it's 3 different products that are all of interest to exactly the same audience. Then you only need to create 3 different ads. And you just want to see which one of those ads gets the most engagement, because Facebook will automatically over time show the ad that is getting the highest level of engagement most often, and that will be the winner of your contest. So if you'd like to submit a question of your own, you can do that very easily. Just go to Brightideas.co/asktrent. If you'd like to become a member of the Bright Ideas community and interact with other e-commerce entrepreneurs, very smart thing to do, just go to Brightideas.co, and right there on the homepage, you'll see all sorts of ways to get involved. And if you're already in one of our communities and you're watching, that's where you're watching this video, for example, in one of our Facebook groups, would love it if you would like it, share it, and ideally comment on it if you have a question. Thanks very much for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.